Okram Ibobi accuses BJP of trying to lay foundation for works being taken by Manipur government. CPI, CPIM, JDU, AAP and BSP form Left Democratic Front to fight assembly polls under 35 Common Minimum Program. Ratan Kumar inaugurates ISBT, reiterates government's efforts to transport fuel and essential items via Dimapur and Siribam. And UCM holds state government responsible for frequent economic blockades by UNC. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi today accused the leaders of BJP of trying to lay foundation for works being taken by Manipur government to gain popularity. Addressing a one-day political conference organized by Sawumbung District Bloc Congress Committee at Haingang in Imphal East, the Chief Minister said since the BJP formed the government at the centre, union ministers have been making frequent trips to Manipur. He alleged that the union ministers never announced introduction or implementation of development program for the state during their visits. Ibobi said the foundation for railway line was laid during the time of Congress government, but a union minister claimed that the foundation was laid during the time of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The Chief Minister said the BJP selected the site for the sports university at EITB Local. He accused the BJP for rejecting the site it already chose. Ibobi said such party which does not have a firm stand is not suitable for the Manipuri soul. He appealed to the people to vote for Congress in the next assembly polls for the development of Manipur.
Worldly standard da koi ne industry sabi ke hai so matam sangani aduna sida haubi bada kari kai hai de hai rode koi ni yaro worldly standard da sami hai aduna di moi BJP da koi hai de ni si moi sana bada culture da rajniti ko se machi taubi gano any amada east sabi kara west sabi kara Vishnupur sabi kara any district amada thuna hobiro hobina ki marak seda temporary campus haega kumal lampak seda hobiro.
National and regional political parties in Manipur today formed the Left and Democratic Front. The front without two national parties, Congress and BJP, will fight against corruption, despotism and favoritism. The front claimed that it was formed by like-minded parties which want to bring development both in the hills and the valley. It will fight the upcoming 11th assembly polls under 35 Common Minimum Program. The front will field candidates in most constituencies in the hills and valley. Convener of the front, former minister and CPI leader Dr. Moirangthem Nara told today the media at a press meet held at the office of the front at Saint-Jamai Chongtham Laikai that Communist Party of India, Marxist, Janata Dal United, Aam Aadmi Party and Bahujan Samaj Party are members of the front. He said the common minimum program of the front includes protection of territorial integrity of Manipur, eradication of corruption and uniform development of hills and valley, employment for one person in every household.
Senja Thumja gi mayok lepning ba senjau paiba masung tawbang amba kangbugi suknam sasongi mayok ta lep kane na khanjaba dol khara khoi punjun jaraga Manipur da achumba pamba Miyam amagi political front amagi tangai fadabasi layena laujaraga front si semba amasung khoina yachariba common minimum program 35 point asida yumpham oijaraga aikhoi chathjagani laglibat Manipur state ki taramathoi suba assembly gi mikhal asida aikhoi gi front asina yarinkai aikhoi candidate adum reasonably thagatjagani hujikmakki wenadi how many candidates haibadu aikhoi thamja hairoi maramdi phase 9 na lauthukjagani.
Transport Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar today inaugurated the Interstate Bus Terminus ISBT at Kumanlam Park. Responding to media queries on the sidelines of the event on the steps being taken by the government to resolve the current economic blockade issue, the minister said the government has appealed the United Naga Council UNC through DC's concern to end the economic blockade. However, the minister did not mention about taking action against those who have imposed the economic blockade. Like what the Chief Minister said yesterday, Ratan Kumar said the government is planning to transport fuel and essential commodities via Dimapur and Ziribam. He assured that most of the items will arrive in Imphal within 4 days. He also said the government have discussed in detail the issue of non-plying of school vans due to non-availability of fuel affecting the school-going students. Speaking about the opening of the ISBT, the minister said the terminus will reduce the problem of traffic congestion. Chairman, Director, Deputy Director and staff of the Transport Department also attended the inauguration. The parking slot for the buses and other passenger vehicles appears to be a bit small, and there is a gap of about 1 inch between the buses. Cracks have already appeared on platforms and the floor. The still used in overhead footbridge was rusted in many places.
Transportation almost daily basis honorable CM table at the same time UNC gi sisu koi wari sananaba solution ama poraknanaba su koi honorable CM ne am kanna honai aduga mugi interlocutor oriba rabi da wari sadana withdraw tawhananaba madugi su koi haiba kya ama koi lei apamba demand kai dobo koi mugi demand tawsabado public ki oiba mayam gi oiba sidadi masida koi disturb tawbidanaba haidana chathana koi gi security sing kari sing siznaraga Dimapur line dagi su aduga Ziribam line dagi su dakar lei essential commodity sing
President of United Committee Manipur UCM Johnson Ilangbam today held a state government responsible for frequent economic blockades by the United Naga Council on the national highways. He said timely action should have been taken by the government to prevent them. He urged the government to change its stance regarding the issue of economic blockade. Johnson was speaking at the 18th Foundation Day of Kangleipal Lamjing Apunba Mairalup, Kanglamai at Lamyan Bashanglen Palace Compound. He said the Supreme Court has ruled that ban and blockade on national highways are against the law and action should be taken against those imposing them. Johnson also added that despite the ruling of the High Court of Manipur against ban and blockade, the government has remained silent on the issue. Expressing grave concern over the problems facing the people, he urged the government to pay due attention to the problem.
Tengkang kaya datatan tauriba se akoi Manipur Sarkar na yahan bani Manipur Sarkar na tauhandragadi United Naga Council gi masi oriba ngasi gi thaga se lermlabusu yain akoi UCM ga makedi gi khalli mioi khujo kharana akoi Naga apun masu represent tawdaba adagi yamna chumba wafam amada yamna legitimate oiba akoi gi Sadai Hills district ama semna na ba wafam amada karmain tawdana madu semba yaroi haiba wafam aran ba khongthang amada Manipur Sarkar na madu recognize tawdana madu da illaga ngasi phawa sahi 35 lakpa asina maram oidana ngasi gi akoi gi thengneri awaba lakpani haujiksu matam lairi akoi luchingmo oibagi thauna adu lebidargadi matam chana resign tawibaduna na phaganin khalli economic process chahi lising ama tawragasu Manipur Sarkar na miyamna paimba lambi sida achummani khanmajo chatpiyu.
Kanglamai President Y. Lairik Laima also highlighted the problem facing the people due to non-availability of essential items in the state following the economic blockade. She also accused the government of neglecting the suffering of the people. She appealed to women of the hills and valley to stand unitedly against bans and blockades.
Aikoi haijaningi banbor ke thadok piyo aikoi Manipur ireibak se duki matigware aigi apama se khaitang handok naraga Manipur gi apon bagi saktham sagamina si sing dalai bai silinau sing tam dalai basu aigi apama da tawgada bani haibagi authority se mipung kuding na hoisalak pada ima laibak se pan mangam da bagi wahan thok to no makang dana le pa se puna mag lepiwo lepi da bataraga di lu sing na su yamni hanjana pami bidugi mathakta wangang badan khang bangam bagi pangalai tan ngangak pataraga di laibak kai ba pamde laibak punsan na bagi damakta miyam puna maglawi.
BJP Manipur Pradesh has appealed to the UNC to call off its indefinite economic blockade. In a press release, General Secretary Administration BJP Manipur Pradesh MLATS Biswajit said the issue can be solved through dialogue. Socialist Students Union of Manipur has warned that if United Naga Council UNC does not withdraw its economic blockade in the next 2 days, they will launch counter-blockade in various parts of Manipur. President of SSU Naurem Tanuranjan told the media at a press meet at Manipur Press Club that the economic blockade has created problems for the people. He appealed to UNC to withdraw the blockade.
United Naga Council ngasi ka tharaga haying phobagi manungda makhugi economic blockade adu handokpiu karingma handokta taragadi haying gi nongan ba habdi hangchitagi khogi chapchaba myangi damakta awaba si uraga khona SSUM amadi myanga lonana hangchitagi chapchaba pakhumoina habatare khoi counter blockade chathaba horogna ha phonja thamjage karigumba issue masa amada priority piraga community punamak wana ba thong sinba se masi machang chu topinaba appeal tawjir agol lonana manipur go mena asum laba myam amadi mairu simpuna wana matam se tumina election duna leiba amadi home department mathau tawdaba se masimak tasina khoina condemn tawi.
The body of 12-year-old Lokrakpam Rajeshwari alias Ichand was recovered this morning near Khordwak. It may be recalled that the minor girl disappeared in the river after rescuing a mother and her child who fell from the Litan Bridge into the Imphal River in Arong Kunchao in Hyanglam on the 10th of this month. The body was recovered this morning around 10:30 near Khordwak under Waikong police station. Police personnel fished the body out of the water. The body will be brought to Janim's morgue. Chief Secretary O. Nabakishore yesterday inaugurated the first integrated cold chain project ICCP of Manipur at Mao Gate as a gift to the farmers and entrepreneurs. Speaking at the inaugural function, O. Nabakishore said the project will encourage people of Mao and its surrounding areas to produce more agricultural yields their production. He appealed to the people to work hard to put Mao on the world map. Association Action for Progressive Development Society AAPDS took the initiative to take up the project under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries. There are 25 different chambers in the ICCP and has a 3,000 metric ton cold storage capacity to store food items, vegetables, meat, etc. for longer duration.
This facility will go a long way in promotion of the horticultural activities, food processing, and many other business related to the food processing business or even transportation. It will help in enhancing the earning of the farmers. Mao area is very famous for its potato, for its fruits like peach. It's also very famous for the flowers.
All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union in a press release said truck drivers and handymen are stranded on the road and facing serious problems due to the economic blockade. The press release also said they have also run out of food and other essential commodities, and some of them have even fallen ill. They appealed to the UNC to call off the economic blockade. Police today conducted search operation in Mahabali Kabui Khol in Imphal East in connection with Sangai Festival being held from November 21st. The search operation, which began since early morning, was held under DSP Imphal East Commando Robinson Khanam, DSP Debind, and Officer in Charge Imphal East Commando Inspector B. Lungthang Waifei. More than 300 persons have been verified during the operation. 9 persons, including 4 women, were picked up for further verification at Porompat Police Station. Apunba Iraipak Mahiroi Singpanlop, AIMS and Democratic Students Alliance Manipur Daysam cautioned the government that the student bodies will take out intense agitation if in case the government fails to bring an amicable solution with the United Naga Council UNC over the economic blockade by the 15th of this month. Addressing media persons at AIMS office at Kwakaitel, President Rajesh Yumnam said some organizations with vested interests are blocking national highways and creating problems for the people. He said due to UNC's economic blockade, oil pumps instead have run dry and schools are closed as school vans have stopped their service. He said Congress and BJP must come together to solve the crisis. Rajesh Yumnam appealed to the UNC to call off the economic blockade in view of problems faced by the general public and students. The press meet was also attended by DESAM Secretary General Namai Rakpam Edition.
Leibang miyam na kamtiang na wana rava matamasida Congress government amadi BJP government na magi oiba meeting na singba tungan ba leibang mayam na kamtiang na waraba matamsida mahiroi kunai gi amadi leiriba praja mayam gi khanbidaba ngasi mak thau phangdabagi wariba satra satri singni school Kava Pangdriba, School Ben Service na Lep Kriba, Bus na Satriba, Government na Matam Chani Chinbio, Lagliba Tang Taraga Manga Faugi Manunda, Government na Masi Tabuk to Tok Tabatarabadi, Desamamadi Aims na Tongan ba Kongjang Kaya Sanchilagani.
It's time for a short commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Ozam Pain Relief Ointment Khwang naba, kok chikpa, tang chikpa, amadi khu naba na singbada sinaba yarba Ozam Lipsap group na puthok saba Ozam sinabiyo.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee today organized a meeting in connection with the upcoming assembly polls in Uripok. The meeting was held at the residence of Congress aspiring candidate Nunglekpa Mahananda at Uripok, Bachaspati Laikai. National Secretary of All India Youth Congress Committee Dayan Hussain, MPYCC President Amir Hussain, Inner Lok Sabha Youth Congress Committee President E. Dayananda and MPYCC General Secretary N.G. Dilip were among those who attended the meeting. Hectic preparations are on as the upcoming 11th Manipur State Assembly elections are getting nearer. A new BJP office was opened today at Singjamai Sapam Laikai by BJP Singjamai Mandal. Aspiring BJP candidates of Singjamai constituency, leaders of BJP Manipur Pradesh and supporters of BJP among others attended the event. Speaking at the occasion, aspiring BJP candidates of Singjamai expressed their willingness to support the candidate who gets the BJP ticket.
Queen of BJP Neramba, photo, Utoraba, Madam Zare, the Kambia, Torba, Adu, Udor, the Lote. Madam D. Parat Dosi, Masai, own Malay. Sahi Ani Makai Manda, May Tam Lutan and the Modina, Down 40 Wasset. High to do the Narendra Modi. Mark Bharat ki wakan na local lady na masi hawa planning kaya scheme kaya matang dalawuri.
People today took out a rally in and around Ward number 15, urging the people to elect a BJP representative from Singjamai in the upcoming assembly polls. BJP active member Ngangbam Robert, who is also an aspiring candidate of the party, alleged that the no development programs have been properly implemented in the constituency despite the money spent on them.
MLA se sindok se na khoi adui campaign cha chai ni kaino da akhoi gi leiba Singjamai Kaithen Turen Mambi adudagi akhoi sorok lambi drain paisa se oi lokthokraga Singjamai Kaithen ju loisande Turen Mambi ju loisande ado food security eki makhada card chu phajana yenthokte cheng chu pi de aduga cheng hurali myam se election gi mamang da yoina ba hisab se kile tokthodi phani tokthokta di adui matha akhoi gi BJP gi ahom lapa Saka lakpada khoi chapchabi action logani.
Booth-level women political conference was held at the election office of BJP aspiring candidate Ningompam Helendro, organized by Yai School Kendra Development Committee, Palace Compound. BJP Manipur Pradesh leaders, BJP Yai School Mandal members and women from the polling booth 38 of Yai School constituency attended the conference. Speakers at the conference said people need to support the BJP-led NDA government, which is working for the welfare of women. They also said men and women need to work together for the development of the state. Speakers accused the Congress government of not trying to solve the economic blockade, which has caused immense hardship to the people of the state. BJP Manipur Pradesh State Executive Member Ningompam Helendro said Yai School constituency, which was once rated as the most developed constituency, is now lagging behind other constituencies.
Manipur ki aham fighting line like fight intellectual IS officer Kendra Sidiki Putokimani. Manipur ki aham handa sport ke lamda first Olympia Kendra Sidiki Putokimani. Adu sunatana hangam kaya ada Chief Minister kaya handa Putokama adu Kendra Yasun Kendra. Ngasi di kaya re ai koi se adu ki mate koi sothare. Ai koi si laiba Manipur ki miyam sida ai koi si Yasun Kendra dek lak pani koi Yasun Kendra ki nahai madamda ai koi si sum chamina ramada koi sum maning da sum handa hawa koi si. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ 5-10ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤꯅꯦꯕ.
Lamphil Sanak Kaithal BJP Booth Level Committee today held Ningol Chakauba for more than 3,500 women of Uripok constituency. The committee also handed over labor cards and pension for differently able persons at Lamphil Sanak Kaithal Community Hall. Former BJP Manipur Pradesh President Mainam Bhorod, General Secretary and NIMBUS spokesperson C.H. Bijoy, Uripok BJP aspiring candidate Namay Rakpam Shantos Mangang, among others, attended the event.
Blockade Tauribasi Numitarani Fajalakle, Masida Paliba Gomens and Karimatangangde, Brazagi and Hingbiribra, Makoi Masamasagi, Marondom, Watergalo and Kanbiribra, Blockade Tauriba, Kangusing the Mateng Pangbiribra Haina, Congress Government Aina. Wafamam katang hangachari marketa alu kizida nifu yang pire angang lairik tam dabugi fibam lae ben singi thau pibang amdre asuk kuiraba situation sida ngasigi lengak sasan paibiriba government sina karamba role karamba thodang loribage haibase hangachani congress si marufungna hoi manipur gi kangleipungi laimai dagi muthat karje haiba wafam sisu ai thamjage.
Free dental and screening program was organized by Kangleicha Yaipa Lamjinglub, KYLL and Doctors of Dental College of RIMS today at Naurem Laikai Boys School. About 120 were treated at the camp. General Secretary of KYLL Club Y. Gilhaiba appreciated the staff of RIMS and others who participated in the event. He said such free camps will be held in future as well. Nongmaithem Ibotun Singh of Sagulban Wahingbam Laikai has been missing since yesterday. He is 78 years old, 5 feet 7 inches tall and dark. Persons who have come across him may report to the nearest police station. Sangai Youth Art Challenge was held today in connection with Manipur Sangai Festival 2016 at TG Higher Secondary School. The competition was held on the theme Promotion of Tourism and Conservation of Environment, organized by Department of Tourism and Youth Street News. More than 200 students from class 3 to 9 participated in the challenge. Thambal, written by Hijam Anganghal, has been translated into Hindi by Hanjabam Gaurachandra Sharma of Ilangbam Laikai. The book titled Kama was released today at MDU Hall, Yai School. Dr. Idijmani, Dr. I.S. Kangjam, Dr. Lanchenba Maitai and Professor Indra Mohan Jha spoke about the book. Mangluraba Lainam, a book written by Maibam Radha Charan of Pishumthong Ningom Lairak, was released today at a function held at Pishumthong Ningom Lairak Community Hall. Former Keshamthong MLA Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar was the chief guest of the event. Research Forum Manipur will celebrate its 9th Foundation Day of November 21st. A seminar on the culture of Manipur will also be held on the day. Sandhyagi Ishai, a dance drama based on the poetry of K. Padma Kumar, was shown today at Maharaja Chandrakirti Auditorium. It was produced by North East Zone Cultural Center, Ministry of Culture, Government of India and Department of Art and Culture, Manipur, and choreographed by W. Lokendrajit. The premiere of second Manipuri digital film of Abhinash Film Production, Kokchakpi Leshabi, was held today at Shankar Talkies, Lamphil. Abhinash Wahengbam directed the film. Actors Kabokla Inaucha, Lalitabi, Janimand and Meenakshi are in the film. Manipur Swimming Association today felicitated winners of the first South Asian Aquatic Championship and 13 Masters Aquatic Championship at MGMC Shanglin, Wangkai Ningthem Pukri Mapal. Manipuri swimmers won 4 gold and 2 silver and best diver in the first South Asian Aquatic Championship held from October 18 to 28 in Colombo, and 9 gold, 15 silver and 10 bronze in the 13 Master Aquatic Championship held from October 21st till 23rd in Secunderabad. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. O. Ibobi accuses BJP of trying to lay foundation for works being taken by Manipur government. CPI, CPIM, GDU, AAP and BSP form Left Democratic Front to fight assembly polls under 35 Common Minimum Program. Ratan Kumar inaugurates ISBT, reiterates government's efforts to transport fuel and essential items via Dimapur and Ziribam. And UCM holds state government responsible for frequent economic blockades by UNC.